We know no AI based companies can run without a data engineer. So, before getting into the roadmap of a data engineer, let's see who is the data engineer, what is their daily work. With the help of insights found by data scientists, we can make powerful decisions in business from which we can gain more profit. With the help of intelligent machines built by artificial intelligence engineer, we can build many automated machines, intelligent machines. But who is going to bring the data from various sources? It's none other than data engineers. It's their daily task. Based on the requirement of the project, as a data engineer, your first step is to search for the right sources to collect the data. If the data is structured, you'll be using SQL. In some cases, the data might get stored in business applications called APIs, and sometimes the data might get stored in cloud storage based on the requirements. Sometimes you need to collect data from website, and in IoT based projects, you need to collect data from sensors. So the first step is to identify the right sources to collect the data. There is a standard format used by data engineers since ages to convert the data into a useful format, and that step by step process is called as ETL: extract, transform, and load. When I talk about extract, transform, and load, what we are going to extract, transform, and load? It's obviously the data, big data. And data engineering started, we didn't have those many technologies to deal with big data. But in today's world, this ETL got changed into ELT: extract, load, and transform. As a data engineer, you should be clear about this all the time. First step is search for sources to find the data. Second step is to extract the data. Third step and fourth step only will differ. Based on situation, when the size of data is big, you will be using loading and transforming. When the size of data is normal or average, you'll be transforming and loading. That's simple it is. Here comes the most important part of this video. What are the skills that you need to become a data engineer as a fresher? Let's see them one by one. Build a strong foundation in any one of these programming languages. If you are done with one of the programming languages, at least learn the basics of remaining two programming languages. This skill is crucial for a data engineer to have, building data pipelines, because we do have many data roles in the market. But this skill is going to make your skill set unique because only data engineers will have the skill set of building pipelines. As a beginner, you should focus on learning Apache Spark and Airflow, how to use them from scratch. Make sure you invest your time in learning these skills even if you are a beginner. As you need to deal with any type of database or structured data or unstructured data, image data, and video data, if you have hands on experience in working with various databases like SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and every tools that's used to handle databases like Snowflake, BigQuery, and Redshift, it's going to be as the best advantage that you could ever have to become a data engineer as a fresher. In today's life, the possibilities of dealing with average size data is really very less. You need to deal with big data often. In that case, you should be familiar with working with these two important technologies, cloud and big data. If you are a fresh out of data engineering and you have no idea which cloud tool should I start learning with, you can choose AWS, GCP, and Azure as it covers all the tools and applications of cloud technologies. If you learn all these three tools, you will get strong in how to use cloud technology for dealing with big data. If you got strong in all these four skills, I'm repeating it again. If you got strong in all these four skills, then you can start learning about Git and GitHub, and you can start learning how to use data modeling with help of Snowflake. And this is going to be as the fifth final skill. And if you're done with all these five skills, you can step ahead and start your career in data engineering. If you are a fresher and you learn all these skills thoroughly and you have a strong foundation with all these skills, you can expect a salary of 6 LPA to 12 LPA in today's market.